up guys, welcome back to my channel APS Tech, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, also click the bell icon before we get started. And so guys, today's video will be the unboxing of the smart sensor car wireless charger. You can see smart sensor car wireless charger, white color box. So guys, it does have a the wireless charger. All the devices, the mobiles that are supported with wireless charging will be supported with this device, and specifications you can read if you want to. And smart sensor, 2 wireless charging modes, support QC wireless fast charging equipment such as iPhone 8x, 8 Plus, Samsung S6 Edge, S7, S7 Edge, S8 Plus, S9 Plus, S10. Standard charging mode, compatible with all QI enabled devices that I already said. And now, without wasting any further time, let's open the box. And guys, make sure to like the video. And here is the empty box. We will keep it here. And here is the smart charger. This will open. I will show you the review after unboxing it. And this is the empty box. And this is the micro USB cable to charge your, not to charge, just to give power. You have to attach it to your car charger, and then you will turn it on like this. And this one to the car charger. I'll show you how. This is the Apple charger, like this. This is the iPad charger actually, and like this you can attach. I'll show you the review once I finish with the unboxing. And here is, this one is to attach it with your car. And this is the user manual if you want to read. It's Chinese, I can't understand. It's also English. Specifications, model, color. And so guys, these were all the box contents that were available in the box, inside the box actually. And so guys, this was the unboxing, and now here's the review. So guys, you can now see the review. Enjoy.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.